Okay, so here we are back with the Unigear 50-liter backpack for your ski boots. And I'm going to go ahead and see how this fits. So I'm going to try to we're going to do ski boots and we're going to do my helmet and goggles. And so the idea is that you can fit it all. And from what I've seen, so you go ahead and open the back here. And this is going to be your opening for your ski boots. And you open this and it is really deep through the back. So here we go. Let's see if we put them straight in like this. Looks good. So there we go. So that is straight in. I wonder if they also fit if we have them sideways. They do. That may provide some more room. It looks like even if you have a bigger boot, it's going to fit better like that. So let's try that. So we got the boots in there. And this top portion is perfect for, oh, let's see if it's perfect for helmet. Looks like a bit shallow. I'm going to take off my goggles if I can real quick. Does that fit? Hey, let's see. Yes, look at that. Okay, so we've got boots, helmet, and I got my goggles here in a little case. So let's go ahead and see. So you could probably fit it, maybe you could fit it in with the boots, but you've got a back section here for stuff. There you go, look at that. Nice, it's all there. Okay, so let's see how, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this camera real quick for you. Let's see how it looks. Okay, how does it fit? I don't know if I'm on camera here. Let's go ahead and fix that. There you go. All right, perfect backpack. And it fits. It's comfortable. I have, again, we got boots, we got the helmet, we got the mask. So much better and cleaner than just dumping it in your car. So it's a win.